Hey YouTube, so here are a lot of my fan parts. This is most of my fan and electrical parts here. Got canopies. That's a thermostat for an attic power fan. Light kits. Parts of fans that I've taken off. Got plenty of wire and a bunch of these capacitors. Got mounting brackets for days. Got one of these pull chains. This Harbor Freight multimeter, you get it for free at Harbor Freight. These are actually pretty good. More mounting brackets. A light bulb. Some switches. Electrical outlet from something. Capacitor, I believe that came off an air conditioner. More mounting brackets, that's for a Harbor Breeze chest irons. A dimmer switch. This is a vintage dimmer. See, this is really old. Yeah, that's an old dimmer. I think it's a 3-way. So yeah, there's another shotgun shell that I used to put on the ceiling fan. So yeah, that's a lot of my fan parts. So yeah, bye.